bars.
Let's do this. You're on.
Is it going?
Yeah. Yes.
I can edit it, but.
What's up? Alright, so we got our old, got a bike we kind of just threw together at an Arsenal Falco's house. We decided to take some extra parts and I decided to put some stuff in. I decided that I would get a few things. We got just a Mosh seat post. We got United Value bars. We got some Animal Edmund grips. We got a We the People front peg. We have a Animal back peg. We have a Demolition Momentum front tire, brand new. Kind of got that one. And then we have a, what was the back?
Kenda, the old Kenda K Red.
Old Kenda K. Riding brakeless.
Oh yeah.
Got a Verde sticker on the
Kink Lost Dutchman.
Kink Lost Dutchman. That's what it is.
Snapped and rewelded.
Yeah, we got a stock Kink headset. We got a Stolen Vortex cover. We got Raptor front hub and stun rim. We got an Alienation Free Coaster V2 in the back and another stun in the back as well. And Redline device cranks and Demolition pedals. And what?
Odyssey Burlington Sprocket.
And an Odyssey Burlington Sprocket. I forget what the tooth ratio is.
25/9.
25/9. Thank you.
Got the cardboard
Arsenal
hub guard
Falco.
up front.
Yeah, we do have the good old ghetto cardboard hub guard.
And a G-Sport Gland MK3 in the back.
Yep, an old MK3 in the back.
Prima Forge spokes in the back, shadow spokes up front. Regular KMC chain. Well, it's a premium chain, right?
It is a premium chain.
But it's made by KMC, so
I don't really count it as premium. And a good old Verde sticker on the front. Just thought that would kind of bring things through. All this is bent up, and then we got Marcus, who's kind of just
Barspin. Boo!
To finish it up, we have Marcus just doing a barspin.
Tail whip.
Standalone 360.
Oh God.
Tail whip.
And this is why we hate him.
Tail whip.
This is
Yeah.
why we hate him a little bit. Oh God, here's his infamous trick.
Landed it.
You're actually pretty close. Know what?
Let's see you do a trick.
Then it's come out.
Into the sun.